What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back. Welcome back in. That is, if you are a returning subscriber. But if you are new, honey, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hey, we do it all over here, so be ready for it. And today is one of those days. You know, I love to bring the beauty stuff, but I also like to bring the latest and the greatest in home essentials. And y'all, this has turned out to be a week of that for me, but there's one special thing I do want to talk about today. Y'all know right now my newest granddaughter does reside here with her mom in the house, and y'all, I love to keep things neat and tidy, if at all possible, at all times. And now that baby Royal is getting to an age where she will be spending a lot of time hanging out on the floor, okay, because baby, it's almost that time, right? I had to really knuckle down and think about, okay, I got some carpets around here that really need cleaning. And guess what? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're diving into the world of clean. I mean, the world of clean, but I have a new little gadget and I wanted to share it with y'all. It is so cute, and it is the HiKiNS portable carpet cleaner machine. This is her. This is her. Y'all say hey to my HiKiNS portable carpet cleaner machine, okay? Yes, so cute. Now, let me just tell you about this compact and portable carpet cleaner that has absolutely been a game changer in my cleaning routine. I wanted to clean my carpets, and listen, this is it. It weighs in at only 9.9 pounds. It's a breeze to carry around, and that's why I love it. It makes it perfect for tackling spots, stains, spills, and even those pesky pet messes if you are dealing with that. Now, I don't have any in-house dogs running around, so all of my pets are outside unless it's cold outside. But baby, you know the little one is going to be eating and spilling things and yada yada yada, so we got to take care of all of that. Now, the powerful performance of this small carpet cleaner was truly impressive to me. Now, it has a high pressure spray nozzle and a robust motor. It dives deep into the fibers of your carpet or upholstery, saying goodbye to dirt, grime, and tough stains. Yes, yes. Plus, it doubles as a sofa cleaner, giving your furniture a fresh and new life. Love that for me. I'll love that for you. I have the link down below, y'all. But I'm not finished talking about this amazing gadget here, okay? Now, what I love the most is its versatility. It has a 5.2-inch wide path head, and it has a 3.6 deep cleaning head. You can use this mini carpet cleaner on carpets, couches, upholstery, stairs. Listen, my husband even used it in our van. Yeah, it's great for car interiors as well, and even your pet beds. Right, trying to figure out how to clean your pet bed? This makes it simple. This makes it simple. It's a one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Now, let's talk about simplicity. This stain cleaning machine is a breeze to use with intuitive controls and a straightforward setup process. Just follow the easy 3-step routine. Spray, scrub, and suction. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it tackles tough stain. Now here's where it gets better. The extended hose reach with a 5.3 foot water hose and a 16.4 foot power cable reaching those hard to get spots like corners, stairs, and upholstery is no longer a hassle. So say goodbye to straining and stretching. Now check this out. Dual water tanks. The HiKiNS portable carpet cleaner boasts 2 separate large capacity tanks. The 36-ounce clean water tank And the 27-ounce dirt water tank ensures maximum efficiency, no constant refills or emptying, making your cleaning process smooth and continuous. Just to wrap it up, folks, the HiKiNS portable carpet cleaner is not just effective, but also affordable and convenient. Say goodbye to expensive professional cleaning services and hello to a cleaner home, office, or car with this fantastic tool. I have a discount for my beautiful babes, so check out the description box. You'll be glad you did. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this deal. You do not. Again, check the link in the description box to get your hands on this portable carpet cleaner made by HiKiNS. And you too can get that exclusive discount I'm talking about. So check down below, okay? And hey, beautiful babe, thank you so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, listen, please don't get off of this video without subscribing to the channel. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. If you're getting ready for the holidays, listen, it's a great time to pick this one up. We've got you covered with all the goodies right here on the Sweet Angel Show. I said the Sweet Angel Show. Yes, I did. I'll have more home essentials for you too. Lots of beauty, fun, and all of that jazz right here. So stick and stay. I'm out of here, y'all. Until next time, happy cleaning. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.